What's up, people? So right now the ride to the other project, it was getting rather long because of this one. Actually, let me just see. Okay, yeah. So because of one diversion that they had due to some construction that was going on, so I have to go like another 5 kilometers to take this turn. But anyways, I thought I would show you the scenes of the Bakr Al Siddiq road, and here we are. Okay, right now here you wouldn't see that much traffic. Down the road near the horizon you can see obviously, but once we get onto this road, we merge onto this, then you will realize. So here we are, almost gonna merge over there. Let us see. A night drive here in Riyadh. By the way, what do you think of the channel? Is there anything that I could do better? Is there any suggestion that you might have? Feel free to let me know down in the comments. Okay, now you can see the amount of traffic there is on the road. Wow. Now I am shooting this video in 2.7K resolution, but the video will be exported with 60 FPS, I think. Yeah, so let's see how the results turn out to be. Does that make any difference? But one difference I've seen is that on actually this camera, it can also shoot in 4K, but the file size that becomes a lot heavy. So this only has 128 GB storage that comes with it, and I cannot put anything external in this. Okay, but I'm pretty sure in 2.7K resolution it will be way too clear. Onwards we go. A Panda hypermarket over there. Sako. At Sako you would find stuff that comes in handy, like tools, equipment and that sort of stuff. Near the corner they have the Operation Falafel. I had eaten twice from Operation Falafel, once in Riyadh, once in Khobar, and well, I think their taste is just fine enough. Okay, so we have to go on to the Northern Ring Road, so we continue straight. We'll leave this one as well. By the way, let's talk about the information cluster of the Changan Eado. First thing, here you have the modes. Right now it's in drive mode. Then you have the fuel level. Okay, and then you see you have the speed, kilometers per hour, the time on top of it, the range remaining with this amount of fuel, 337. Then we have this it's the, what is it called? Yeah, the one with button over here. Oh, how could I forget the name? Why am I being so forgetful? Yeah, okay, I'll come back to this later. Then there's some you see, maybe you can see the A over here. It is for the auto hold and all that sort of stuff. Then it tells the tire pressure, the distance with the next car, 11 meters. And then the green light you see over here, that's the light, and it can depending on, if I give a high beam, it changes the color as well. So after that we have the RPM coming down over here, and the mileage, 7.9 liters per 100 kilometers. Outside temperature is 44 degrees Celsius, and the RPM, they come digitally, like in digits as well, and also on the scale. See, if I increase, you see now it's going to 2. Then we have the engine hot and the cool, the levels. Then we also have eco, normal. You see, if I put normal over here, it comes normal over there. Sports, oh, check out that metro. So I'll put it back in eco. And okay, what's left? So you see, it's giving us 6 meters from the next car. That's the distance. So it has a lot of interesting features. Oh yeah, this one, yeah, this is cruise control. Yeah. It has been a long day, forgive me for the forgetfulness. So this is, I hope you people can see it clearly. So this one where it's written 20, and there's a speedometer with the car in the back. It's this cruise control, speed limit. Okay, so also on the steering wheel we have the mic. We
Good
can
evening.
speak to it, the Changan Eado. Then we also have this one button. This one, actually, I think it tells the distance from the next car or something like that. Here we have the cruise controls. This one, removing the cruise control, adding the cruise control, increasing the speed of the cruise, decreasing the speed. Then we have the call volume buttons over on this side. This one changes the display. Okay, so Northern Ring Road. So now from here we have to take the turn right. We shall let this car go, pass by. Okay, let's get into this lane, because from there you'll actually make a U-turn. During the afternoon this place was so busy. I came from here to the gym. Gym is on the exact opposite side of this spot where we are at right now. Okay, onwards we go. Sometimes it's quite risky to come into this lane. Obviously, there's a chance that someone might reverse their car or might not be parked appropriately. But we are continuing with our drive, the drive that we have and the drive that we have in life. Wow, that is sweet. Okay guys, so I'll end the video here and I'll meet you after I am done with the visit on the project. See you in a bit.